Hello boys and girls. Today I can find all possibilities again, this time using dice. Now I've got two 10-sided dice here, so as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides on the top and 5 sides on the bottom, so they're numbered 1 to 10, and the same on the other one. Our question is, what are all the possible ways of making 7 by rolling these two dice together? So let's just roll them and see what we get. 9 plus 9. Does that total 7? No, let's roll again. 7 and don't know what that landed on. 7 and 3 totals 10. So still we've not got 7, have we? One more time. Oh, 6 and 1. There we go. That was lucky, wasn't it? 6 and 1. So that totals 7. Now, we could keep going, couldn't we? And just take our chance, see how lucky we are, getting a total of 7. Do you think that's the best way to find all the possible ways of making 7? Probably not, is it? We could think. We could think, well, what combinations of numbers do we know make 7? And let's list them. First dice then. If we start with 1, on the second dice we'll need 6. 1 and 6 make 7. Now if we're working in an order, what could we put for the first dice next? 2. If we rolled a 2, what would we need on the second dice? We'd need a 5, wouldn't we? 2 plus 5 makes 7. We've got 2 combinations already. What could we put next? Yeah, 3. This way we're going to find all the possibilities. What would we need on the second dice? 4, wouldn't we? 3 plus 4 makes 7. Next combination. First dice would need to be 4, wouldn't it? And the second dice, 3. The other way round. Next, 5 on the first dice and 2 this time on the second dice. Have we found all the combinations yet? All the ways to make 7? Not quite, because we still could put 6 on this dice and 1 on that dice, and then we've found them all. You have a similar question on your worksheet. The difference is that your question says, what are all the possible ways of making 11? Another question. Leo went into a shop that sold vanilla, chocolate and strawberry ice cream. He wanted an ice cream with 2 scoops. How many different ice cream combinations could there be with these flavours and 2 scoops? Let's see how we can work through this in order with a system so we find all the different possibilities. What could we start with? We could start with, let's say vanilla for the first scoop, and what for the second scoop? Chocolate. So that's one combination. What should we do next? Let's stick with vanilla. And the second scoop this time could be strawberry. So we've found 2 possible combinations already that he could have. Is there another one with vanilla? There is, isn't there? He could have vanilla and vanilla. What should we put next for the first scoop? You carry it on and see how many different combinations you can find.